Guten Tag, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you my quick routine, how I prepare my summer tires for winter storage. I've taken them off my car, winter tires are on, and now I want to put a bit of tire dressing on them, which helps protect the rubber and the sidewall in the winter with the different temperatures, and also when the car is not being driven. And with this very easy quick routine, you make sure that the rubber stays smooth, protected against the elements. I mean, UV is not the case now, but hey, ozone and dry air and temperatures. Protect the tires, and then when you put them on in the summer, they look like new and they also stay good longer. Today I have from Liqui Moly this Reifen-Glanz-Schaum, basically a tire foam, which normally you would spray only on the sidewall of the tire. And then, you know, it keeps the sidewall looking nice, gives your tires a nice shine and dark. But I'm actually, since I'm going to put these tires into storage, also spray it where the tread pattern is, so basically over the whole tire. Because the tire is not going to be driven, I'm going to let it dry, so I don't need to worry also about, let's say, product getting on the brake pads and getting on the car. By doing this, I completely infuse the tires in this nice product, treated and protected while it's in storage, and when they come out they'll look even more fantastic. So let's take a look at this product. It's basically, after shaking it, you apply it, and it says it here in German, you need to let it sit for a few minutes, then it's going to automatically get into the rubber of the tire. But when you have any residue, any leftover, you can also take it off with a paper towel. I suggest bring a bunch of kitchen paper towels, so that if you do spray a bit on the wheel, you can remove it directly. So let's take a look and see how this sprays. So, let's apply it. Ah, sehr schön. Wow! It has quite a wide spray. So if you're going to do this, let's say in your own shed, in your garage, you may spray a little bit on the ground. So yeah, either put something under it or wipe it off immediately when you're done. You can already see that the foam we had on the tire immediately starts to get into the rubber. And that's the sign that the product is working. I did spray a little bit on the wheel. So just take a paper towel and wipe off that residue. So yeah, sehr schön. And now I'm also going to do the tread pattern of the car. Of the tire. And for that you can go up, down and just move it a bit further away, so that you can cover the whole area of the tire. It goes in the smallest cracks, in the smallest threads, and then the rubber will stay in top shape. Sehr schön. So now I'll take a paper towel. So now I take a paper towel and I'm going to wipe off the excess material. So yeah, the whole tire is now clean. It's quite shiny, which I like, but I suspect it'll get more mud. And then what I'll do is I'll just let the tire dry off, air dry off, let's say for an hour, and then we come back to take another look at it. Yeah, and you may say like, yeah, why do you need to do something like that? It's a tire. I mean, it doesn't have feelings. It doesn't need to have skin care. I mean, why spray it all over the tire and not just on the sidewall? Yeah, that's just a personal choice. I mean, if you really like your tires and you like your car and you have the opportunity to do that, and you've seen the result, yeah, you will, of course, realize that that's just me. I just like to do that. I like to take super good care of my tires and my wheels. And yeah, this is something I've noticed when you put them on in the summer or after winter, when you put your winter tires on and you've done this, they look so spectacular. And also I know that when I keep them in the storage, for example here you can see my whole tire stand. I'm still going to do these tires. Once you're done then and you know that they're stored like that and that you've taken the best possible care of them, it just gives you a really good feeling. And yeah, to me this is worth it. But let me know if you have such a routine. And whether you find spraying the whole tire too much, I really like it, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you what you think about this. Oh yeah, and while you're doing this, flip the tire around, and don't forget also to put the inside part of your tires, especially this inside sidewall of your tires, because that one takes up a lot of beating too, and it's often overlooked, and you need to make sure that that one also gets the love and care that the tire deserves. Sehr schön. So, let's take a look at the final result. The tire looks very beautiful, very dark, very shiny. I can see the nice letters of the Pirelli P Zero Elect tires that I have. Very nice tires. Also here on the top, it's still drying, but it's getting dry. And the whole tire is protected. It's fantastic. I'm very happy with it. Now they'll go into storage. And when they take them out, they'll look just as good as when I put them away. I hope you find it a nice video. I like the product, Liqui Moly. High quality brand, trusted brand. So I think it's safe to use this. Have a great winter and see you in my future videos. Auf Wiedersehen.